Hello grade 12 friends, in front of you is Buko. So welcome back again into our lesson video. So today I want us to look at mathematics grade 12 arithmetic series. Okay, so I think you are being introduced to a new term which is series. What you are used to is arithmetic sequences or patterns, right? Yes. So the difference between the two is that when you talk about the series is whereby you have a certain terms in a consecutive way, okay? Yes, whereby there is an addition between the terms so that you can be able to calculate the sum. That's the series, okay? Yes. So the series, its intention is to be able to calculate the sum of the terms in the particular series or in a systematical way. Okay. So the very first question, which is an example, we have 3 plus 6 plus 9 and plus 12 up until 324, and our 324 is the last term, ladies and gents, okay? Yes. Okay, so question 1 says calculate the sum of the first three terms in the series. You know that when you're calculating the sum, I mean that we have to add the terms, okay? Yes, but now we have to add the first three terms in the series. So the first three terms are 3 plus 6 plus 9. So let's add the terms. So 3 plus 6, 9, plus 9, 18. So our first three terms, or the sum of the first three terms in that particular series, equals to 18. Alright, so there is also a formal way to calculate it, which is highly required during your test as well as exams in mathematics grade 12. Alright, so the formula is Sn is equal to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 t. Okay, yes, and this is the formula, right? So that you can calculate. So mind you, I told you that it's 18, right? Yes, we all calculated, right? Yes, but let's prove by using this application of this formula to calculate the sum of the first two terms of that series. Okay, so the sum, okay, let me just break it down for you. The sum, the Sn stands for the sum, okay? The sum. N stands for how many first terms of the series that you are calculating for. For example, in that particular case, we're going to substitute 3 and 3 because we're calculating for the first three terms, okay? Yes, n term. So n over 2, 2a, so a is the very first term of the series we're going to substitute there. So we have d, which is the difference, okay? Yes. So sorry about the bracket, forward the bracket there. Alright, so S 3, the sum of the first three terms in that series will be equal to n, which is 3 over 2. So with 3, the very first term, plus 3 minus 1, the difference is 3. Okay, so S3 will be equal to 3 over 2. So with 2 times 3, we have 6, plus 3 minus 1 is 2. Multiplied by 3 is 6. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So 1 plus 6 there. So we're going to have S3 is equal to 3 over 2. 6 plus 6 is 12. So and therefore the sum of the first three terms will be equal to 3 over 2 multiplied by 12. Press the calculator. So 3 multiplied by, it's okay, 3 over 2. 3 over 2 multiplied by 12 is 18. So very same thing, guys, okay? So 18. So it gives us 18, even if we use our formula, okay? Yes. So that's how we use the formula, guys. Easy and straightforward, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's go to the second question. Okay. Let's just erase that so that you can move on. Let's just erase that. Okay. All right. Question 2. Alright, so question 2 says calculate how many terms in the series. Let's calculate how many terms in the series. And I told you that this is our last term, guys. Straightforward, okay? Yes, our last term. But we don't know the portion of that term or the nth term of this term here, which is 1924 as a term. We don't know the nth term. We don't know our n for this particular term. So we have to first calculate n, okay? Yes, or in this, we have to just calculate n so that you can know how many terms, okay? Yes, up until to what point. Okay, So Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, yes. So Tn, the term is 324. Okay, yes, which is equals to a, which is 3 plus, we're looking for n minus 1, the difference there is 3. Okay, so 324 is equals to 3 plus 3 multiplied by n is 3n minus 3. Okay, so meaning that in this case we have like terms 3 and 3, so meaning that this cancels this. Okay, 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, yes, so meaning that we have to 3n on this side, so this side with 310 20 24. So we divide by 3 so that I find the value of n, divide by 3, and therefore our n will be equals to, so this cancels this, we have to n, so 324 divided by 3, 324 divided by 3, that's 108. Okay, so 108, 108. So mean that 324 is equal to T8 to T108. Okay, yes, and that's it. I hope it isn't straightforward. So mean that in this series we have 108 terms. I repeat, in this series we have 108 terms. All right, let's move to the last question, which is question 3. Okay, and mind you guys, these questions are just going to make you very competent and skilled in solving these during exams. Okay, so we also have question 3. Okay, yes, question 3. All right, so question 3 says calculate the sum of the terms in the series. Let's calculate the sum of the terms in the series. I wasn't supposed to cancel that. Okay, yes, our n is 108. Okay, so calculate the sum of the terms in the series. How many terms in the series? 108 terms. Let's calculate the sum of these 108 terms in the series. Meaning that when you add from 3 up until 324, which are 108 terms from this term moving to this particular last term there. There are 2 ways to kill this cat, ladies and gents. In terms of the formulas, we're just going to use the formula for calculating the sum. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so the first formula is Sn is equals to n over 2, the one that I introduced you to. Sn is equals to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, that's it. Let's first calculate using this formula. So Sn has 108 terms. So 108 divided by 2. So 2, what's our a? Our a is 3. So 3 plus n, which is 108 minus 1, d, which is 3. Right. So as 108 is equal to 108 divided by 2. Let's press the calculator. 108 divided by 2, 54. So 54. 2 multiplied by 3, it's 6 plus 107 multiplied by 3. So let's just say 107 multiplied by 3. Okay. 107 multiplied by 3. 107 multiplied by 3. 3, 2, 1. So 3, 2, 1. Okay. So the sum of 108 terms will be equal to, of all terms in the sequence will be equal to 54. So 54. 6 plus, so it's 327, right? 327. So 54 multiplied by 327. So 54 multiplied by 327 will be equal to 54 multiplied by 327, 17,658. So it's 17,000. So therefore our S108 will be equal to 17,658, and that's it. Okay, so there is also other way to calculate this. Okay, yes. So the other way will be like this. Since this is the last term, okay, we only apply this formula for calculating the sum when you calculate the sum of the terms in the series. Okay, so Sn will be equal to n over 2, and you will have A plus L, right? Yes, A plus the last term. So with S, 108 is equals to 108 divided by 2. Our A is 3 plus the last term is 324. 324, okay? So S 108 will be equals to 54. 3 plus 324, it's 327. 327. So and therefore the will be equals to, alright, will be equals 54 multiplied by 327. 54 multiplied by 327, it's 17,658. 17,658. Very simple. Can you see that, guys? Yes. So if ever you don't understand why we use this, never use this when calculating the first terms of the series. Just use this when calculating, mean that all terms in the series. Okay? Yes. Mean that you calculate the sum of the terms in the series using the last one. Mean that you're going to use the last one. Okay? Up until the last one. So from 3 up until the last one, you use this one. But if ever you're calculating just only the first 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, you're just going to use this one. Okay? Yes, because L there stands for the last term. Just remember it in that way. I think that's the end of our lesson video. Have a great day. Cheers.